Hi everybody. Just want to take a quick minute here and show you a website that is what we would consider to be too image heavy and too flash heavy. If you look at O'Charlie's website here, which you can find by going to ocharlies.com, you can see a huge flash element right here in the middle of the page. You can see all of the navigation across the top is image based. You do get a little bit of text based navigation down in the footer. On the right side of the page you see more image navigation. Now for O'Charlie's to rank well, the way they're ranking right now is based clearly off of brand. Anything else that they're accomplishing is due to link building or anything like that that's coming in off-site, because this particular page will not rank well. The search engines cannot see the material that's inside of this flash element, and certainly cannot look at the images and understand the text that's inside of those. If you look at the source code on this page, which is easy enough to do by right-clicking and saying View Source, you'll notice that the code in here is all based around that flash. And of course, you've got a bunch of JavaScript as we scroll through here at the top, so it's very top-heavy with JavaScript. Then a bunch of include files. If this was me, I would have suggested that they roll this JavaScript here into another include file. Then we get into a bunch of code that helps with the navigation at the top of the page. So this is swapping in images and whatnot as we mouse over the navigation, which you could see when we go back here. So all that image swapping is happening with that code. And then finally down towards the bottom we get to the footer text. So this page here leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to SEO. It's very difficult for the website to be read by search engines. Now we know the developers that have done this site, and they do quite a bit of work on understanding what type of system has just made the request for the page. So if it's a search engine, then they show one set of code. If it's you and I coming through a browser, then they show another. But as you know, that can cause problems too. But anyway, wanted everybody to see what an image heavy, flash heavy site looks like, and remember to avoid this at all costs if at all possible.